First, make sure the air compressor is turned off by first switching off the isolator switch and checking that the screen on the compressor is now powered down. Every 500 hours, the air suction filter must be cleaned or changed if necessary. It can be found in its cylindrical housing and its lid can be removed by twisting to the left. The filter can be pulled out of its housing and cleaned with compressed air or clean water. Do not use solvents when cleaning. If the filter shows sign of excessive wear, fit a new filter. Once cleaned or changed, the filter can be returned to the centre of its housing and the lid reattached.